This bike looks so beautiful without the mirror though. I wish I could have it like that. Although I'll be the first one to be conscious of it, let alone the cops. What amazing landscape right in front of me, man. And these beautiful potholes to complement that view. Life हो तो ऐसी हो यार. What is wrong with my bike, dude? Idiots are so predictable, man. Alright, picked up the package. This is a very secret mission. It's just the camera, guys. Well, you can't call it a camera. It's a long story. No mind. It's a 360 camera, to summarize it. I saw many comments on a few of my videos saying that I accelerate while downshifting, and why is that? They basically had that doubt in their mind. The reason is this concept is called rev matching, and what it does is when you downshift, the lower gear has obviously at higher speeds a higher rate of RPM. So you basically rev your engine to match that level of RPM.
क्या बोला?
You know what? You better search about this on the internet and find a good explanation of this instead of listening to me blabbering anything. But yeah, basically it's to match the RPM of the lower gear so that you get easier downshifts, and this is kind of a substitute to a slipper clutch. So what slipper clutch does is what we are basically trying to do manually. So I hope that explains. But if you want a better and elaborate explanation, you better search rev matching on YouTube or on the internet. You will find a very detailed description of what exactly it is. You're welcome. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I behave like a typical YouTuber sometimes. Oh, I completely forgot that I was supposed to go to the set. Wow, thank God I remembered it right now. Otherwise I would have to come back. Thankfully I had to take a turn over here only, so I was actually on my way to office now. I have such a goldfish memory, man. No, sorry buddy, sorry. I confused the hell out of you. Oh what the hell are you thinking, man?
6.5 hours later.
Alright. Oh goodness. Alright. After a tiring day at work, finally leaving for the day. Cool. It feels so good to getting some air. It's been so hot since morning, man. What? Why have they shut this road? The hell, man. I'll have to go all the way till Jogeshwari flyover and go around. Oh, they haven't. You blind piece of shit. Good to feel. Feels good to ride in a shade like that. Man, I've gotten very sensitive to sunlight, man. Earlier I used to roam around like no one's business in the sun, days and days. But now I've so lost from the habit of sun. I immediately, like after 3 or 4 hours, I get immediate migraine, and I was already sleepless, so that also is a bonus. Although I know you guys must be saying, I'm not interested. मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. Super hungry though, but I need to go home, take a shower, and then eat. I'm not interested यार, मुझे सुन. Sorry guys, I've got nothing else to talk about. ये क्या स्टाइल है हेलमेट पहनने की? Is his brain too huge to come in that helmet? I have no idea, man. Might be possible. Because what possibly could be any reason for you to wear the helmet like that? You might as well just completely wear it or just not wear it at all. What is this partial dedication towards safety?
Stop it.
It's green. How much time do we have? Nope. Just spare me some liberty to come and stand in the shade. I usually don't do this, but it's the necessity. It's the need of the hour. Thanks for supporting me, buddy. Thanks again, buddy.
The next day.
Right, another day, another walk ride. It's early in the morning, 5:45, and I'm riding towards another set. I still haven't got the time to fix my mirrors, but what to do, man? I just don't have the time to do it. Why am I getting spooky thoughts right now, this early in the morning? Thank God there are people around.
Wait a minute.
Bro, this is so spooky. Please use your diplo, man. Please use your low beam. Please fucking use your low beam, man. Where the do you think you're going? So fucking irritating. They behave as if they're riding on a highway. Huh. Watch. I need to get into this. So I'll have to figure out another way. Where the heck, man? ये पुलिस ग्राउंड जाने के लिए यही रोड है क्या? Why am I always getting these spooky roads, man? This looks like the set, right? I have no clue, dude. Oh, there you go. Alright, time for me to say goodbye to you guys. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Quite a trick. Alright, done with the work on this set. Now heading back to the other set. Yeah, come on. Wow, automatic start.
Technology!
I did not intend to do that. I'm all drenched in sweat right now. It's getting hotter and hotter in Mumbai, dude. It's not even funny. Whoa, what the f, dude? Why should only off-roaders have all the fun? Holy shit.
I am noob!
That was embarrassing. He'll go at 3. Wow. Wow. Good job, Anurag. Good job. Idiots are so predictable, man. So proud of myself. Not this one, the next gate. Okay, I guess I'll go on this side. We are in America now. What to do? What do I say, man? Weird times, weird people. Yuck. Saved myself from all the dust. Well, this little baby is gonna suffer in the sun now. Can't do anything about it. I'll see you guys in a second. What is wrong with my bike, dude? It's punctured. Why can't I just peacefully go home after a tiring day at work? Why? What do I do now, man? Is it just less air or am I actually flat? I am flat. Oh god damn it. Why the does this happen, man? All the time with me. I'm very tired to deal with this shit right now. Why would you do this to me? Hello? कुठे आहेस? अरे तो पंक्चर वाला आहे माहिती आहे तुला? हॅलो, हां मी चालत चालत येतोय बाहेर, पण गाडी घेऊन येत नाही आहे मी. मग वाटेत भेटलास तर भेट. सो या, आय गॉट नो अदर ऑप्शन दॅन टू जस्ट वॉक टू द मेन रोड आउट ऑफ दिस कॅम्प ग्राउंड अँड देन look for a tire puncture fixer, whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
One eternity later.
All right, done with my puncture removal business. In fact, I had to change the tube. These guys are scamsters, man. The puncture removal people. They pierce and damage your tube in such a way that you can't notice, and then they show you, see भैया ये देखो ये टूट गया, निकल गया, ये होल है इधर, ट्यूब खत्म, आपका लाइफ जिंदगी सब खत्म, नया ट्यूब लगाना पड़ेगा. Then you have no other option because who will take this piece of my metal to some other place and then get it fixed? It's too late by then. And I have punctured my bike at this very same place twice. This is the second time that has happened. I have also broken my mirror here. I don't know what is up with this place and my bike, man. Someone's conspiring against me. Who's that? Is it any one of you guys that's just decided to prank me and then get content out of me? Is this a conspiracy for content? Is this because I don't upload more frequently? Damn it. I have solved a mystery. Sorry. This is how ideally one should overtake without causing any inconvenience to other people on road. Well, having said that, I am not perfect. I am no saint that everything whoa, that was some crazy drifting, dude. Good, nice. Amazing skills, man. टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है इंडिया में, बस प्लेटफॉर्म की ज़रूरत है. And what better platform than Indian roads, where you get to showcase your talent. I am too tired and I'm blabbering shit for no reason. I'm unnecessarily consuming my energy and I'm realizing this while I'm talking even more. I really need some help, man.
ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग दो.
Bonus.
The front fender rod that was broken ages ago, I still haven't got the time to fix it, so it's rattling like anything. Can you hear that sound? Yeah, it's embarrassing, man. I've got so many things to fix on my bike. Bike to fix ho jayegi. We'll fix the broken heart. No guys, I'm all very healthy mentally and physically, touch wood.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.